Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Choices. This is a channel where I trade non-directional strategies. Please understand that these are not trade recommendations and these are not even for learning purposes. The only reason I'm creating these videos is to share with you all if these kind of non-directional strategies can be useful in creating small but consistent revenues over a period of time. I don't use any kind of OI data, any kind of chart pattern, support and resistance, or any kind of technical indicators. Um, all right. So the market was kind of, I mean, it opened with a little bit of gap up and then it went sideways. It's like one of the best scenarios for an option seller. But as you know, that yesterday I booked a profit of around a little more than 3,000, and then day before I booked a profit of around 7,000 something, right? And this is because I did not book the losses on my loss giving leg. I created a hedge that was that hedge was kind of um, saving me from the losses. But then today I am not really sure what just happened. So let's just jump on Sensibull. If it's lost today, so if we see on Sensibull, if we select only the executed legs, it's a loss of around 2,400 rupees, right? And this is just kind of a trailer for me. The real loss will be coming tomorrow. If the market doesn't go down, then this loss is only going to increase. If the market goes down, then yeah, it might give me some relief and it might reduce some loss, right? Um, all right. So these three executed legs, no need to go on the execution log like every day. So basically I just booked the profit on the put leg two times, and then the third time, when the market just kept on came down a little bit, the put leg which gave me profit two times, it gave me quite of a loss, right? um, then the major loss that is coming here is coming from the this it's a running loss. It's not really a book loss till now. The major loss that's coming is from the call leg, considering the market is constantly going up, right? So if the market doesn't show any kind of correction tomorrow, then yes, I'll have to book this loss, and probably the hedge will save me a little bit. But then again, it's not going to be a lot. Um, yeah. So this is what it is. Um, all right. So the lesson I believe that could come out from this is not to use hedges. Instead, just book the loss at every 30 point, 30, 35 points, right? And then move ahead. There's no need of booking having hedges, because see, the hedge is just 50 points away from the loss giving leg. Still, the hedge is the the kind of save that the hedge is giving me is almost negligible, right? Though I did create the hedge at a later stage, it was not created when the sold call leg was created. So that is of course one point. But then again, it should at least save me a little bit. But then again, it is not. Plus, managing a hedge and then all of those other things, it's kind of a overhead once again. And like I always say, that the only reason I'm doing this non-directional strategy is to make it as stress free, as low effort as possible. So once again, the from now on, I'll not be creating hedges ever. The only thing I'll be doing is just booking losses at every 30 points, and then move that leg a few, move that leg away from the strike price, right? Okay. So let's do analysis of the current sold legs. Okay, so if we, no, that is not the correct thing, right? Okay, yeah, that is the correct sold legs. And what did I just do? Okay, payoff chart, right? So if the market goes down, right? If the market goes down, to see, the situation is super bad for me right now, right? So the put leg is 2.5% away. The call leg is on the left hand side of the of the strike price, which is an absolute bad situation. It has gone way beyond mm, the control of the strangle, right? Let's select the hedge also of the call sold call leg. Let's see. Let's do the analysis now, right? See. So I don't think in any scenario. Hmm. All right. So the only scenario that I can make a little bit of profit, or maybe no less, no profit, no loss situation would be if I, if the market falls, of course, and I move out of this hedge at cost to cost, right? So if I move out of this hedge at cost to cost, then I'll be left with the two sold legs. And the market has to fall to at least 24,001, 24,140. I'm just hoping if the market even falls up to um, 24,200, right, that would still be good enough. I'll take the loss, I'll take the hit and just move out, because um, I made good enough profit last 2 to 3 trading sessions, right? So overall, the PNL for the month of April is already in pretty good profit for me. So I am just hoping not to take a very big hit, because if I do take a hit, like if the market keeps on rising, right, at some point of time, I'll anyway have to book the loss on the call leg. Mm, right. So I'm not really sure. If the market keeps on rising, then anyway it's going to be a loss for me, and it will probably wipe out all the profits that I made till now. Let's see. Let's check. Get the this once again analysis. See, yeah, the market keeps rising. Right? It's going to be a loss of 12,000, which will wipe out all the profit that I made till now on this month. This month was already not very good for me, considering the Trump tariff war thing happened, and then the market has been super volatile, which is a very bad situation anyway for a strangle or an Condor kind of a strategy. All right, let's see what happens tomorrow. I think I'll have to book loss and then move out of it. Let's see if this is um, let's see if this is delta neutral. Of course, this is not going to be delta neutral. See, it is not delta neutral. This is a bad situation. All right, it was a bad day, to be honest for me. The I made this mistake, right? This loss that you're seeing here, this put leg, which gave me loss. It should not really give me. It shouldn't have given me loss. It's my mistake that I created a loss at the sold put leg at such a bad price, right? I sold it at 24,550, which is, I shouldn't have created that. I should have created it below the call sold call leg. Right. Sorry, it's very late for me. Um, kind of sleepy, and it's no fun when we are making losses. That's one thing. All right, that was it for me today. Do let me know how was your trading day. I believe buyers, I don't think they would have made profit. I think sellers today might have made some profit, good amount of profit today. Do let me know if you were able to make any profits. If not, then also you can let me know. um, if you have any suggestions for me, do let me know. I'm open to hearing suggestions. All right, and if you want to follow the journey of an iron condor or a non-directional strategy, like and understand if these kind of strategies can be useful in creating more revenue, then again, subscribe to my channel, um, like and share and comment on the videos. Um, all right, that was it. Thank you so much.